Welcome here. Today I would like to give my opinion on the DDPAI Mini 5 dash cam which I have been using for 3 years. Now I'll show you the installation wiring setup from here to under the dashboard through windshield corner to the back of rear view mirror. So let's dive in. Pros are 1. Value for money, 2. Parking recording, accident detection, GPS route map, vehicle speed features. I'm placing the device in its bracket and attaching the power cable. Now, we see the app UI and its available options. After connecting to the app you can choose view live feed or recorded albums. Let's check with live feed. You can rotate horizontally to view an entire scene. Here you can get to see live speed and direction. You swipe to right to check past recordings. It will highlight red for emergency footage, depends on your configured sensitivity. You have an option to preview in normal or fast mode. Now let's see how we can manually download videos from DDPAI Mini 5. Click download button below the live feed to initiate a download and then click complete whenever you want to end or what for its max download length, which is 3 minutes. Downloaded videos are in media library. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe and share the love.